Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
So,
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
right.
Good evening.
So, welcome on board for the orientation program. Today, we will have the orientation on Certified Professional Accountant (CPA), which is a UK validated qualification. So, we may take around 30 to 45 minutes time for today, and we will talk about the institute credential and the course administration procedure, how we can administer the course. And of course, if there is any question from your side, we will also try to answer those questions. I have initially muted everybody. So once I complete my presentation, I will open everybody's microphone, my power to unmute. And then if you have any question, we can discuss on that point. Okay, so let me share my screen. I'm sure my screen is visible to everybody.
Yes, sir. It is visible, sir.
So this is World Academy. World Academy is an UK-based organization. We have ISO certification. We are an ISO certified organization, 21001, which is Education Management System. And this is our global affiliation for World Academy. We are offering programs in 57 countries. We are the accredited institute by Board of HR Certification UK and approved center by Cambridge Academy of Professionals UK. Also approved center by ProfQual UK and approved provider of HRCI, SHRM and HED USA. We are the accredited institute by International Professional Accreditation Council, which is a Singapore-based organization. We are SHRM academically aligned institute and member of CPD certification service. We are also partner for Singapore Training and Development Association. So these are our global affiliation, and we are proudly declaring this, that we are growing very fast. See, our vision for 2025 is to have our offices in 100 countries, and we will be the number one in the professional education and certification programs. That is the course you have been enrolled for, Certified Professional Accountant. At the very initial stage of this orientation, I'm telling you, there are significant differences between Chartered Public Accountant and Certified Professional Accountant. Okay? Don't misunderstand with this CPA designation. This course is Certified Professional Accountant, and other CPA course from couple of countries, that is called Chartered Public Accountant. So Chartered Public Accountant is a 4 years or 3 to 4 years long professional degree. That is type of a professional degree or academic type degree. So you need to go through different levels, and roughly 3 years, at least 3 years time is required to get that qualification, Chartered Public Accountant. But this one is Certified Professional Accountant. That is basically a professional credential. So the credential means you can use this degree CPA beside your name. It means you have you prove some of the competencies on these accounting areas, so that it has been assessed by a professional body like Cambridge Academy of Professionals. And then they will issue a certificate and a badge that indicates that your competencies have been assessed for particular areas and you have been proven regarding those competencies. Now you have been issued this certificate and the badge. So that is the credibility of this course, CPA. Okay, again, it is something different than other training program. You may have 2 months long training program. You will learn a lot of things. Say, for example, we have another course which is called DFA, diploma in finance and accounts. So that is a learning focused degree. I mean, in that part, the instructor and then the students will try to learn as many as possible. But here in the CPA, it's not fully focusing on the learning, rather focusing on the assessment and analytics. It's a bit of, focusing on how you can apply the skill in your practical life, practical career, right? It is not only the knowledge based. It is type of analytical, it's type of application of your skill set. So instructor will give you some vibe, give you some cases, how you can do that. So that is the main focus, main objective or main feature of this qualification. All right. The feature is there will be 4 months duration and online exam facilities, live interaction through learning management system, live chat services through web chat, and there will be 10 sessions. Nazmul, is it correct? 10 sessions?
Yes, sir. 10 sessions.
So 10 sessions, live sessions will be done. And a couple of rules we need to maintain. Number one, we will not share the class recording. The class recording won't be shared because of the GDPR policy of the certification awarding body. But there are video tutorials in the learning management system. You will find video tutorials based on modules, and you can learn from there. But again, make sure these video tutorials may not be exactly matching with the class material, because class will be conducted by one trainer, video could be from other trainer. All right, so you should not expect that the whatever discussed in the class, it will be in the video, not that at all. But the video will be based on that particular module for sure, no doubt here, and that is also developed by an expert, but not from the same expert, so that it won't be matched. Then there will be opportunity to attend makeup exam free at cost. There are exams at the end, and the first exam we will conduct. If in any case you cannot attend the exam, there will be a makeup exam, and you can attend that free at cost. For any further attempt, there are 2 attempts you can find: the first scheduled exam and then the makeup exam. If you cannot attend or cannot qualify within these 2 exams, third onwards will be available at cost. You need to pay some amount for that. Class material will be shared within 1 or 2 days time after the session. Say your session will be on Saturday. So maybe by Sunday or hardly by Monday, we will share the class material. Usually we can share on the next day, Sunday, but in any case, it may be delayed. It will be on the Monday. Class notification and exam notification will be shared through WhatsApp group. There is a WhatsApp group already. Those who have completed enrollment, they got the access to that WhatsApp group. So all the notifications will be there. Due to trainers' emergency, sometimes class may be postponed and rescheduled on other week, not on other day. Class will be on Saturday. See, today, for example, today there is a scheduled class. In any case, if trainers' emergency raises, if we need to postpone it, we will schedule it on the other week, the next week. All materials will be shared only through learning management system. We can only share the material through the learning management system. And attendance will be recorded during the class. So during session, use your full name, because of the name we have mentioned in our learning management system during the registration process. That will be mentioned in the Zoom ID. So once you log in for the class, make sure that your name showed correctly for attendance purposes. That is the assessment part. There will be 2 assignments and 1 capstone project and 1 final exam. The exam will be on multiple choice question based. and Capstone project will be at the end, and assignment will be during the time, during the class. So 2 assignment contain 200 marks, final exam contain 150 marks, and Capstone project contain 150 marks. Total 500 marks. Qualifying marks is 350. That is the assessment part. These are the modules to be discussed. Introduction to accounting and finance. That is the introductory level. I mean, you will be, the instructor will give you some vibes, some synopsis of the finance and accounts. Module 2, role and functions of accountant in organization. What accountant does in the organization and what they're supposed to do. So that will be discussed in module 2. In 3, accounting information system. So all the, parts of this accounting information system will be discussed in module 3. In 4, understanding internal control. How can you set up the internal control? What is the requirement for that? What are the pros and cons of internal control? So everything will be discussed under module 4. In 5, detecting financial fraud. Nowadays, it is very important. So how can detect the fraud in the financial activities? What are the techniques or tools we can use? In 6, reading financial statements. It's not only reading, it's type of analyzing, right? How can you do that? How can you observe, watch the financial statement to analyze it for taking better decisions, strategic decisions? And then break-even analysis. How can we calculate that? And what is the application of this? 8, application of financial analysis using financial ratio. For different ratios are there. How can you apply this financial ratio analysis in different scenario for the organization? And in 9, application of investment appraisal methods. How can you appraise the investment part, whether to invest here or not? And in module 10, corporate planning using budgeting process. So these are the 10 modules. And the instructor is a single instructor, Daniel Lim from Malaysia. He is also a CPA degree holder from, CPA means Chartered Public Accountant degree holder from Australia probably. So he is really very fantastic trainer. And we had around 3 batches, right? Nazmul, have completed 3 batches.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We already completed
This is the
3
4th
batches.
batch. So already we have completed 3 batches and they enjoyed a lot. And we got a very good feedback regarding the trainer, so that we didn't make any second thought. And he will be taking all these classes, all these modules. And of course, I'm sure that you will be benefited from all these discussions points. Let me go through some of the messages here, and then I can unmute yourself. Mojim Hussain, it is not certified chartered accountant. It is certified professional accountant, CPA. Okay, now, if anyone want to talk, you can raise your hand or unmute yourself and talk. Regular class time will be 8 to 10 p.m. Bangladesh time, 2 to 4 p.m. GMT. I mean, we have started today at 9 p.m., but the class will be starting 1 hour before. Okay. And we had a discussion in the group before the commencement of this orientation regarding the certificate issues. Someone was asking, and some people were also raising their concern regarding the duration mentioned in the certificate, which is 4 months. Actually, as we are running this course on live sessions, and we are conducting during this 4 months period, so all our courses are the same pattern, but we took your concern and we have the certification awarding body. Let's wait for their decision. If they agree to remove this duration period from the certificate, and can introduce the transcript, then we can, of course, communicate with you. Prescribed books.
Good evening, sir.
There will be one book. It's not prescribed books, but we can share one book for your self-study, further study.
Can I say something, sir?
Yes, please.
So I am Mohammed Nur Kashem. I am from Dhaka Bank. I am first vice president and manager of Dhaka Bank, Chowk Bazar Bank, Chattogram.
Okay.
So I want to know about CPA. That can I write the CPA certification beside my other degrees? That is MBA,
Yeah.
like MBA.
Yes, you can use CPA beside your name.
Yeah. I want to know about
Yeah,
them.
you can use.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, Sani Adebayo Kazim is my name. I'm calling from Nigeria.
Yeah, please.
I have two questions to ask. The first one is I want to know what is the level of acceptance of the certification one will get from this, in particularly in a global view. I don't know. I've not really known much about CPA. I saw it online and I picked interest in it. That was the first question. I want to know the level of acceptance of the certification. Then, secondly, in terms of registration, the payment aspect of it, I understand that there was a time I was about to do my registration. I had some itches in terms of in the bank, because I was to pay in a foreign currency and go doing all of that. Unfortunately, that was when Nigeria introduced some difficulties in the policy in terms of forex payment and whatever. So I don't know. I asked then I think the customer service section, or somebody attended to me then. I was asking, is there any local account created to take care of all these kind of challenges, so that even if we have to pay the extra charges involving conversion and all the rest, we wouldn't mind, because the banks are really giving us a lot of headache. So I had to back out then.
Thank you very much for your question. I understood. For the first one, actually, it's a professional credential, so there is no level. As it is not any diploma or any other academic degree, so it does not have any level right now. For example, for project management institute are offering PMP, there is no level. So this is the same way. This is a credential, so it does not carry any level here. Number two point is, if you face any challenges for transferring the currency, US currency, I mean US dollar currency, you can contact with our people. We have arrangement with one of the one of our participants. Actually, there he is helping us. He has an USD account over there, and he take the local currency from Nigeria, and he can pay to us the foreign currency. But for sure, you need to check with him what is the conversion, because he's taking the conversion on a black market rate, not the bank rate. So that is the issues. You need to check with them, and then if possible, you can contact with him. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Here a couple of questions. Let me go through the chat box questions, and then again I will come back to you for the questions. Someone was asking that requirements of chartered professional accountants. I mean, you can contact with that institute. If those who are issuing that, they can give you the qualifications. Yes, we will give the slides. We will give the slides through our learning management system. Guys conducting SCCA? No, we are not conducting any SCCA. What is the main objective of this course? Level of acceptance in other countries. The objective, as I said, that for the assessment part and giving a credential to our accounting professionals for proving themselves as they are certified, particularly based on some competencies. And the level, I said that there is no level for this course. Is it similar to certified public accountant? No, public accountant, it means something chartered accountancy level. and that is basically a long qualifications for accounting professions. So that is type of academic degree type, right? Chartered accountant or something like that. So I mean, public accountant, if you're talking about the public accountancy, the major focus of public accountancy, then you can go for the auditing license. So you can have that as well, but for the CPA, it's not there. Other degree courses, you can get waiver of the subject or sessions after completion of this course. I'm not sure which one he was asking for. Moinul Haq.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes, this is my like after completion of this course, like other courses or other degrees like SSCA or like that, do we have any exemption?
We don't have any
waiver?
arrangement with any other bodies, but you can submit to them that they have completed these from that, and these are the modules have been completed. If they feel that they will waive something else, then you can get it. But we do not have any other arrangement with any other institute till now.
Got it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Globally acceptance level. So far, we have completed 3 batches and around 63, 64 people. None made any complaint to us that this certificate has not been accepted by that institute or that country. Till now, we don't have any type of evidence on that. That is what we can say. Exam system. Yes, exam will be multiple choice question based exam, and that is online based, and you can even access through the mobile device. Just you can select which one is correct answer and submit it. What does this stand? Certified professional accountant. That is stand for medium, for application, and the total cost. Total cost was, as well, what was the cost?
460, sir.
$460.
And it's our special price.
Yeah, that's the special. Regular price was around 600 plus. The cumulative cost need to be considered. The whole course is $460, and including this course, we will send your certificate to your home country. And make sure, another point to be noted, the certificate to outside of Bangladesh will be sent thrice in a year, 3 times in a year, in April, in January, in May, in September. So in 3 times in a year. We are starting this course, say, for example, 2 weeks later, right? When the class will be started, Nazmul? Please check with Parvez and tell me.
2 weeks later, sir. First
of September.
Second of September.
Okay. So 2nd of September will be starting. September, October, November, December. So probably we can send the certificate in January. In January batch, we will send your certificate to your country, those who will qualify. And that will be through BHR, and you don't need to pay anything else. The Capstone project basically a bigger scale assignment type, practical focused, where you need to do some sort of explanation and exercises based on the practical nature. That is the Capstone project. Benefit, actually, what can we tell that benefit? This is a degree. So if you feel that it is beneficial, then you can join. So it is not, we people can say that, yes, it is highly beneficial for you, because you need to understand whether it is beneficial for you or not. Got my point? And as this degree is the certification coming from UK, and it's globally, in all batches, we have global participants from different countries. So that it's up to you, Ibrahim. Yes, cost is included, 2 exams options, everything up to 2 exams. Yes. Actually, it's not a degree. It's not a degree. It's a professional credential. The credential means type of, what would I say? An assessment body has assessed couple of items and giving you that credential. So that is called professional credential. And just I'm giving you the example, like Project Management Institute giving a credential of PMP, Project Management Professional. That's a credential. It means they have some they have some, competencies to become a PMP. You need to qualify on some competencies. If you can qualify on those competencies, you have been certified as PMP. The same way it is there, you will be evaluated based on some competencies. If you can qualify, then you will be called as CPA. Transfer in Uganda as well. Sorry, British Angelo, can you please explain what you want to tell? And more volume on what my colleague mentioned earlier. I would be so grateful if you could find way of.
Yes, thank you. This is Angelo Butish. I would like to inquire, like in Uganda, we have this procedure where you do payments through mobile money, those kind of things.
Yes,
do you think
can.
it's possible?
We have a partner in Uganda, and he has also an account for USD account. You can pay to him, and he can transfer to us. So you can talk to our representative who have been communicating with you. He will give you the options. There is a diploma course in finance and accounts, diploma in finance and accounts, which is level 6. We are running one diploma, DFA. Part of other accounting professional body services here.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, like what I'm trying to find out, like I'm in Nigeria. I'm already chartered in Nigeria with the Chartered Institute of Accountants of Nigeria and other bodies. So that means if I want to take this course, there are going to be some certain exemptions.
No exemptions.
No exemption. I must take all the exams.
No, not at all. You need to, in that case, you need to go for the online based. There is online based version. There is no classes. So if you go there, we will give you the material. Whether you go with the materials or not, it's up to you. You need to submit the assignments and go for the exams. If you can qualify, you will issue the certificate.
Okay.
But for class based, you need to attend the class based.
For what? Sorry.
If you want to attend in the class based option, like this is right, this batch, so that you need to attend that class. But if you go for fully online version, there is no class of material, there is no class at all. So you can go through and then attend the exam. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. No, there is no level, I told you earlier. William, which question is pending, William? Is it part of other accounting professional body? No, it is not part. SSCI is separate. So Cambridge Academy is separate institute. So different organizations. Nothing about the part.
Okay, that means we don't have a. That means the organization doesn't issue a certification for practicing, does it?
Certification for?
For practicing, for public practice.
No, no. That is not like that. You will be having the license to do the audit, financial audit, not that.
Okay, not that. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, hello. I
Yes,
have a
please.
question to ask. Can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
Yes, the question I have, I think I have about 2 questions. The first one is that the program is a 4-month program.
Right.
Assuming at the end of the 4 months, one is not able to pass, maybe to complete the program in terms of passing the exams, paying all the necessary fees within those 4 months, what happens?
They will get second chance in the exam to qualify. If not, then for the further attempts, there is available, but on cost. There are around $20 per exam.
Okay. Secondly, it's like the exams are done in batches, right? The programs are done in batches. So the programs they are done in batches.
No.
If I can recall, you said this is the 5th or so
Right.
batch.
You know, for the
So
next exams,
next batch.
you need not any batch. You can attend individually.
No, I'm not talking about the exams. I'm talking about the program per se. If the
Okay.
program is to last for 4 months, it means that at the end of 4 months, another batch of the program will commence. Is it? Why I'm asking is that maybe one.
If you do not pass.
Why I'm asking is that.
Are you asking that?
No, why I'm asking if.
Yeah, please proceed.
Okay, why I'm asking is assuming one is not maybe readily prepared to start to get along with this particular batch. It means at the end of 4 months, there is another batch that will start. Is that what it means? For the program, that is what I mean.
I mean, if you want to continue with the next batch, do you mean that?
Yes, that is what I mean.
Okay. Say, for example, if you
assuming
for any valid reason, if you cannot continue with this batch, then you can talk with us. You can send an email, and then if management agrees, you can be shifted to the other batch. If you fail, and then if you say that I again want to continue to attend the classes to learn more, then there is an option to pay 25% of the total fee to attend the classes again with the other batch. Am I clear?
Yes. Okay. It means once you are registered for the program, you must participate in the program. Is that what it means? You can't defer it after registration. That's what I'm asking.
Right. You need to.
After you have registered.
For attending the class, the registration will be valid for 2 years. Say, for example, you have completed 5 classes, and then the rest 3 classes you could not attend, and you dropped from this batch. After 9 months, you said that I want to continue. Then you will be allowed to continue to attend the exam, but not the classes. If you ask that I want to attend the classes again, then you need to pay 25% of the fees.
Okay, it's all right. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Any other question from anyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, one more question from my side.
Just wait for a minute. She is asking something. Please.
I want to ask concerning the question I just asked. I just want to know if there is any degree course that you guys are.
Any degree?
Yes, a degree course.
Oh, yes, we do have. That not degree. That is basically diploma course. Diploma in finance and accounts.
Okay.
That is level 6. So it is not a degree basically. But it's not like graduation or honors level. Not that. It's a diploma level 6, and it's a diploma program.
Yes, I understand that. I just want to know if you have a degree course.
No, we don't have. We don't have.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I could not get your point earlier.
Thank you.
Bhutish, please proceed.
Yes, if I heard you well, you talk about tutorial video and the professor who teach it. Assuming you don't attend the lesson, does it mean if you get that video, it rhymes with what the professor taught, or it's not the same?
No, the person who is taking the class and the person who developed the video tutorial are not the same person. But who developed the video tutorial, he's also a chartered accountant. And the person who is taking the class, he is a chartered public accountant, CPA. Correct?
Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you. Any other question?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a question.
From anyone else?
I have a question. Yes, I have a question.
Please proceed.
Okay. I want to clearly understand this. The CPA certificates or certification, what kind of program is it all about? Is it, since it's not a professional program, it's not a full degree program, what is it, the content of the CPA all about? So that one can able to defend and explain when at the end of getting that certificate.
Okay. As I clearly mentioned at the very early stage, there are 10 modules. The modules have been developed based on the competency framework. It is a professional credential, and I gave an example that PMI, Project Management Institute, giving a professional credential which is called PMP. So it is as like as that. But you see, there are masters in project management, there are diploma in project management, there are postgraduate diploma in project management. So many things are there. But PMP is something different. If you ask someone what is PMP, it is very difficult for him to answer what is it. But it is basically a professional credential. We mean it. And for HR, there are, say, HRCI calling, giving some credential like SPHRI, Senior Professional in Human Resources. There is SHRM or CIPD UK. They are giving a qualification in HR like CPA-4th, Certified Professional in HR. So in every profession, there are some professional bodies which are giving the credential. So that is type of credential. Moinul Haq, it is not a certification course actually. After completion of certification course, no one can write as a designation. But after completion of CPA, they can write beside the designation. There are total 10 modules. We have already told you the 10 modules are there, and total marks is 500. For the final exam, 150. For the Capstone project, final assignment, 150. And there are 2 in-between assignment which call 200 marks. Saidu, you want to ask something? You need to unmute.
I have a question, sir.
Yes, hello.
Iba, please wait for a minute. Yeah, Saidu, please.
Yes, I want to know if after the course, somebody will be liable, even if we have to pay something for it, but if you pay, you'll be given a license to operate, a license for the course.
No, actually, it's not license. It's a badge, digital badge and certificate for your proof. But nothing about the license of auditing or something, not that.
Okay. And 2, I have one last question. This course and the undergraduate course, which one is more? Which one is below its compatriot? Whether this is more advanced than undergraduate or undergraduate is more advanced than this course? Which one?
No, this is of course not undergraduate level. It's a postgraduate level for sure, no doubt here. Because of these are for the practitioners, right? These are for the practitioners.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Iba, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I wanted to ask. Now, the certification, the CPA, is based on certain competencies.
Right.
It means that anything out of these modules, we might not have the privilege to certify or to compete. That's what I want to understand.
I couldn't get the last point. Could you please repeat?
I'm saying that the certification, the CPA, is based on certain competencies tested, like the modules that we have listed here. And so if you were faced with a situation out of the modules that we have listed here, You might not have the competency to be able to give an opinion on that. I want to understand. Do you understand my question now?
Understood. Very good. I'm showing the module name. You wanted to see the module name to understand the competencies, right?
We have 10 modules.
These are the 10 modules.
Yeah, we have 10 modules. So, for instance, I would just like to say that if you are faced with a like a cost accounting type of issue that you have to make a judgment in it, and is not part of the modules that we're having here, it means that you don't qualify to give an opinion on that. That wanted to understand.
No, just one minute. I'm using my headphone because of probably I could not hear you properly, so that I could not understand properly. Just a minute, please. Okay, please. Now,
so I was saying that the CPA, the certification is based on the 10 modules.
Right.
Not general accounting.
No.
Yes, it means that if anything comes up, if you are faced with a situation that is out of the 10 modules, the certification will not cover you to give an opinion.
Okay. Actually, accounting is a very vast area, and within this particular very specific 8 or 10 sessions and 4 months, it won't be possible to cover. But as a professional accountant, what they need to play a role, it is not function based, it is role based. Like analytical expertise, that is one role. Like decision making, it is another role. Like developing and guiding or monitoring the accounting activity, that is another role. So this type of and also the fraud protection. So these 4 competencies are there. Based on that, these 10 modules have been designed, and it is assumed that the entire accounting part, one is functional, do the functions. So there is the executive level work which can be taught in the graduation level or the professional qualification level. And then another is who is monitoring or guiding or advising this execution. That is the supervisory level of this accounting system. Then other one is strategic level. It means analysis and taking the decisions based on that analytical data. And another is type of auditing part, which can identification of the fraud. Not exactly auditing, but type of auditing, identification of the fraud. So based on these 10 models have been developed. Got my point?
Okay, understood, sir.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. At least finally I could able to make you understand.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sorry I could not hear you properly. That's why. Anyway, thank you.
It's okay, sir.
Certificate or diploma? No, it is not even certificate, not even diploma equivalency. It is a professional credential. Mahfuzur Rahman. Botswana, probably not. There is not at all any representative in Botswana, probably. Okay, so any other question from anyone else? If not, we can conclude because of it is around 48 minutes. We talk to, yeah. Pema, you want to ask anything? Please unmute. You need to unmute. You're muted.
Yes, I just wanted to confirm the time for classes. It will start on the 2nd of September, 8 p.m.
Right. 8 p.m. Bangladesh time.
You say? Come again? Sorry.
8 p.m. Bangladesh time. From which country you are?
I'm in Namibia.
Namibia. Probably,
Yes.
Right now, what time is there?
Now it's 5:49, which is
So 4
10
p.m.
minutes
your
to
time. The
18.
class will be starting 4 p.m. your time.
4 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. That was my question.
So one question in the by William is, if it's a professional credential, why cannot you practice? Yes, you can practice. I said that is not a license of auditing. Who said that you cannot practice? Of course, you are in practice.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
So I wanted to know what are their differences, and if they are, what are they between a certified professional accountant and a certified public accountant, as in one in Australia and one in the US or with your institute?
Okay, certified public accountant means this is type of chartered accountancy degree, which is a professional degree in accounting. Okay, so that is a very long course, right? 3 years plus. And there is an internship or something like that. After that, you will be licensed for auditing and everything, financial part. But certified professional accountant means those who are practitioners, those who are in practice, based on couple of competencies, the credential have been developed so that after completion, you will be issued a credential, professional credential that yes, I'm certified from this particular body as a CPA.
Yes, I want to ask a question.
So the course was supposed to start on the 19th, presumably today. Has it been deferred or when will it start?
Today is the orientation. The course has been started from today, but today is the orientation. First class will be from 2nd September. During this time, there is a pre-course assignment will be there, and you can answer those pre-course assignments.
Okay, so registration can still go on between now and the 2nd of September?
Yes. Till that, anyone can enroll for this course.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Saidu, please. Was asking something?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
I was trying to ask the same question, when the course is going to start after this orientation, but you have already answered the question. You said it's going to start on the 2nd of September, right?
First class will be from 2nd September, and up to that, if anyone can enroll.
Yes, and also within this time, the assignment you are talking about, will it be sent to our email or
I will show you after this part. I will show you how to operate the learning management system. Just a minute.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Nigerian Naira value. Need to check. Right now, probably around 950 or 1,000 Naira per USD. I'm not sure. You need to check. Okay, if any other person does not have any other question, I want to show you how to operate the learning management system just for a while.
Can I just say what?
Yes, please.
I was trying to find out, for example, like in Uganda, right now it's 6.
Yeah.
And if the lecture start at 4, sometimes
Wow.
you're still coming from work. Is there any option after that if like you don't attend the first class?
No, actually, I mean, the class will be starting from 4 to 6 from Uganda timing. As we have
4 to
already
6.
communicated this time, so there is no option for, I mean, making any changes for this.
So our classes held only on Saturdays?
Only on Saturdays, right?
Yeah, so my brother, I don't know whether you work on Saturday, but classes are held once a week, Saturday preferably.
Yeah, once in a week, only on Saturday.
So what about that for you?
Sorry?
My colleague that was asking about coming from work. So
Yeah.
I was asking whether he works on Saturday and classes are held on Saturday alone.
Oh,
it's clear on Saturday. It's fine. I thought it is on weekdays.
No.
Okay.
It is only on Saturday.
That would be
Yeah,
good. So you can proceed with showing us the module of how to operate the learning system. You can go ahead.
Yeah. Thank you very much, James, for clarification.
Thank
So what you need to do, you need to browse worldacademy.uk. So once you browse worldacademy.uk, you need to click on the login button here, and then you need to put your credential, like I mean the email address as and also the password. The password, those who have completed enrollment, they have been sent system generated email with the password. You use that and click on the sign in button, and then you will be redirected to the dashboard. So this is your dashboard. Here you can see a couple of things. Firstly, see here the menus. This is the assignment menus that will be useful for you. Click on the assignment, click view all. Then you will find the pre-course assignment. I mean, all the assignments will be available here. And then there will be an option for download. If it is a downloadable file, option for download, click on this and you can download the file in your computer and work offline. Once it is completed, again come to this page. Then click view or submit assignment here. Then you will find a page where you can upload the file. Okay, then submit it. That is how you can deal with the assignment. Now, again, if you want to reconfirm whether it is submitted or not, click my submission.
I want you to start again this process, please.
Okay.
Please come again. You said we should go at worldacademy.uk.
Yeah, once you go to worldacademy.uk, then put click on the login button.
What again after the dialogue has appeared? What to click after?
Sure. Worldacademy.uk. Then click on the login button here. Can you see?
Login matter. Okay.
Then put your email address and put the password. The password have been communicated to you through the email, system generated email. Okay.
Did he send the password to us?
Yes, it is system generated. If you do not have, you can click on the lost your password and recover it, or contact with us. We can reset your password. No problem.
Oh, password. Okay. Have you sent the password to us? When did he send the password to us? On our registration period?
Not at the yes, at the registration period, you got your password.
Okay, I can look the email. Is it
Okay.
It was sent through email, right?
Yeah, it is through email. Sent through email. And then click on the sign in button. Then you will be redirected to the dashboard. That is your dashboard. Here you can see the assignment tab.
Okay.
Click on this, click view all.
Okay.
Then you will find your assignment available. Then there will be a download option. You click on this download button, it will be downloaded. Then you can start working. Once you complete, again come to this page with the same process, assignment and view all. Then you will find this button, view or submit assignment. Click here, and then it will redirect you to the page where you can upload the assignment.
Okay.
Then submit it.
Okay.
Now,
understood.
Whether it is submitted or not, you can reconfirm. click assignment, click my submission. Then you will find it that submitted. Okay.
Okay.
And once it is graded, then you will find it the grade here. If it is not a grading option, then it will be say learning purposes. It means not necessary any grading. Okay.
Okay.
Again, go to the dashboard. Now, here you can see your course name available, Certified Professional Accountant, and beside your course name there will be a start button. Okay. You need to click on the start button. Then you will be redirected to the material panel. That is your material panel. But for the first time, once you click on the start button, there will be a pop-up window, start course. Click on that, and then you will find this material panel. Here you can see 3 tabs: learning tool, material, and discuss. Under learning tool, you will find your video tutorial. You can start, play here, watch it, and once complete, click on the complete lecture here. Then all the modules will be placed here, and module wise material will be available. Then click on material tab. You will find the downloadable material, class material. You can download it from here. Click on the discuss tab. If you have any doubt on any module, any slide, any issues, you can click instructor chat. Put administrator as recipient, put your subject, put your question, and submit. Okay. If you want to ask any question regarding any administration or anything else, and if you want to discuss anything among the participants of this batch, click on the student forum, click add topic, put your topic, submit it. Then it will be notified to all members. If anyone interested to participate in the discussion, they can click on the reply button and they can discuss. Okay. Now again, click on the top right corner home button. Here you can see reference books. If you click, you will find your reference books available here. You can download it. Then for the result, you need to click in the result tab, and the final result will be available here. Okay. And for exam, sometimes we take exam from here. Click exam, click browse exam. Then your exam, there will be an action button, take test. Click on this, it will redirect you to the exam panel, and then you can just select. Sometimes we also take exam through our exam management system, separate exam management system that will also share with you. And after this orientation, tomorrow you will get the access to our YouTube channel, where all the video tutorial available, how to operate the learning management system, how to download material, how to communicate to the discussion panel, everything will be there. So nothing to be worried about. And here, to time, red button is GMT timing, and class will be conducted based on this timing, 2 to 4 p.m. And this button is your local time. It will show your local time. Okay. So that's about the learning management system. Basic part. No, the exam will be for only one exam at the end of the course. Okay.
Come again. What did you say? The exam? Only how many exams?
Exam will be only one exam at the end of the course.
Okay.
Someone was asking, Poltu Dash was asking whether exam will be at a time for full course or module wise. That's it replied. Any other question? Regarding the recording sharing, yes, we can share the recording with you. For today's orientation recording, we can share, no problem. So if you don't have any other question, we can conclude it here today. Thank you once again very much for your very interactive session. You have curiosity for different issues, and I'm sure that I could able to answer all these questions very clearly and very honestly, so it can satisfy you. And now the decision is yours. Those who have completed enrollment, they will get the access and they will get the pre-course assignment as well. Those who are still in dilemma, you can take your decision by analyzing by yourself. So end of the day, it is your time investment, it is your money investment. So you need to think and you need to take your decisions with a very concrete analysis, right? Don't be influenced by other people's talking. Take your decisions by yourself. Even you can discuss with your professionals, colleagues. That's up to you, no problem at all. We're not pushing. So and the final submission to you, final humble submission to you, if you feel convinced that yes, this course is really worthy in terms of the monetary value and in terms of the learning and in terms of the certification, then please share with your network that there is a course available like this, and the course will be starting from 2nd September. So that there is a we have shared the material flyer with you, updated flyer. You can also share through your network. Someone was asking directly, James. Yes, we have MBA program, MBA in finance and accounts, but MSc in accounting is not yet available. So if it is available, we will let you know. Pema, you want to ask anything?
Yes, I wanted to, because I had registered somewhere in April, online one. So now I wanted to, because I didn't attempt, so I wanted to migrate to this one. So
you started this in April in online version?
I just paid my registration, and then I didn't attempt anything. So now I wanted to migrate to this one.
Okay, no problem. You need to pay the rest because of the online version having some less payment. So you need to pay the rest.
Okay.
All right, but you can convert, no problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. MBA is fully online. There is no class. For MBA program, there is no class. For master's program, there is no class. We have 6 masters and 34 specialization MBA. So anyone is interested, they can enjoy, but that is fully online version, video tutorial and the assignment based, but not there is no other classes. Yes, CPA can be used beside the name, like Moses CPA. You can use this.
Excuse me, come back again on the MBA part. I didn't get that one.
Yeah,
clearly.
I said that we have MBA on 36 specialization, but this MBA is fully online version. So you will get all the video tutorial and the reference books. You self-study and attend the exam, and also submit the assignments. And finally, if you can qualify, you will be awarded the certificate from EIU, European International University, from France.
Okay, thank you. That's clear. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Anything else? No. All right. So thank you very much for your participation and attending this orientation program. Very, what would I say? Energetically and also with a participative mode. So it was really very fruitful discussions altogether, and hope to have a wonderful learning journey with us. Hope to see you another day on any other courses. Take care and good night from my side.